are here at Langkawi Wildlife Park to make some furry and feathery friends. Let's go. Yeah. You want one? You want one?
What makes this place special? The fact that visitors can have close interaction with animals through fun feeding session. Also, this entire place is roofed, covered, so rain or shine, you can enjoy the park. This is the main attraction of Langkawi Wildlife Park. Small, colorful birds, and just hold up your palm filled with mullet seed and they will be feeding off you in no time.
Not every day that you get to be in the cage with these beauties. They're eating vegetables and corn and looks like they're really hungry. He's asking for more. That's why he's doing that. Okay.